Hey beautiful! Looking for that perfect iPhone, MacBook or Apple accessory without breaking the bank? Then it's time to experience Vansa Apple Shops Uganda. We're the plug for imported, clean and tested Apple products at prices you will love. From iPhones, MacBooks, iPads to accessories like power banks, Type-C cables and wireless chargers. We've got it all. Oh, and don't worry about your old gadgets. We've got a repair desk that brings dead devices back to life. We are located at Ivory Plaza, Wilson Road, basement floor, shop number B29 and along Entebbe Road at Ebenezer Mall, Zana. For business, call or WhatsApp us now on 0700-280-165 or 0700-193166. Follow us online and never miss a deal. Vansa Apple Shops, where Apple brings